not in Epstein's anomaly. Why? Tell me. Epstein's anomaly क्या है? First of all, abnormally placed tricuspid valve, due to which what happened? Right atrial blood is unable to go into right ventricle smoothly. पहला right ventricle का काम नहीं है Epstein's anomaly में. Why? Because tricuspid valve position is not clear. Supreme Court बोल रहा है right atrium का है और MCI बोल रहा है right ventricle का है. तो right ventricle काम करना बंद कर दिया. रोज न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना, इंटरनेट में ब्लॉग्स देखना, कमेंट करना ब्लॉग्स के ऊपर, दैट जॉब इज मोर फॉर राइट वेंट्रिकल. काम करना बंद कर दिया Epstein's anomaly में. क्यों? फ्लो इज नॉट क्लियर. नेवर राइट वेंट्रिकुलर हाइपरट्रोफी विल बी देयर इन Epstein. Similarly, what is the other rule? Never left ventricular hypertrophy will be there in mitral stenosis. अगर लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल हाइपरट्रोफी है तो वो प्योर एमएस नहीं है, उसके साथ कौन है? इधर एमआर है या एएस है या एआर है. So that is the rule. Okay, now with regard to the vagotonic measures, how many of you as house surgeons have done the carotid massage of the patient who is having SVT with palpitations and they resolved? You felt proud, you went to cup of tea with your whoever view and celebrated the occasion, because without giving any antiarrhythmic simple carotid massage resolved SVT means you are the top guy among house surgeons. Whole news will spread across college that there is one more news which can spread about SVT. What is that? You did both carotid massage and patient died. Even that news also will spread. In our college days, our expertise is only spreading news. We used to not treat patients. Who did mistakes? Unit M3 का असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऐसा किया, पेशेंट को न्यूमोथोरैक्स है और उसने प्लूरल टैप किया बोल के. So many things, whether he did or not, we used to do character assassination program. So doctor, tell me, right and left, what is the difference? Generally, if you do carotid sinus massage on right side, it will slow sinus rhythm. Left sided CSM will impair the AV nodal conduction, is the general rule which need to be remembered. Okay doc, tell me, for GnRH, oxytocin, ADH, TRH, histamine, angiotensin II, gastrin, who is the secondary messenger? Who is the secondary messenger? Shoot me an answer. You have so many secondary messengers, no? Cyclic GMP, cyclic AMP, IP3, so many things are there, no? CAMP, as proposed by Dr. Manavi, Anantapur, Madhuri, everybody. You also agree? If it is CAMP, why will I ask? I won't ask, no? FSH, LH, ACDH, TSH, it's called flat CAMP. Then GOAT, GnRH, oxytocin, ADH, histamine is IP3. PIG, prolactin, GH and cytokines, they all use JAK-STAT pathway. Insulin, everything use tyrosine kinase. Secondary messenger list, doctor, like a supermarket list. You must remember, so many lists are there. So, atrial septal defect. Atrial septal defect. Typically, you find a pulmonary arterial plethora, not venous plethora. Venous plethora, where do you find in pulmonary veins, doctor? CHF में. Congestive heart failure में reverse Mustat sign, cephalization of the pulmonary veins. Normally, where are pulmonary veins prominent? Never in the apex of the lung. अगर apex of the lung में pulmonary veins prominent है तो CHF. Reverse Mustat sign, cephalization of the pulmonary vessels, they are all features, curly lines, etc. It is a pulmonary arterial plethora, ASD, VSD, PDA is what need to be remembered. Then, if there is a dilated cardiomyopathy in alcohol abuse, it generally leads to left-sided failure, not right-sided failure, is what need to be remembered. Then left atrial myxoma may, it will be just like mitral stenosis. What you have is a diastolic murmur, not a systolic murmur. Where do you use EEG in the diagnosis? Intermittent explosive disorder. What is the meaning of it? There will be episodes of aggression and destructiveness that are out of proportion to the stressor. अगर suddenly NEET PG को नवंबर में conduct करे तो if you tear down your horizon it is agreeable. उतना stress के लिए इतना damage is okay. But you take petrol and burn your neighbor or roommates all study material. It's an example of intermittent explosive disorder where you definitely require an EEG. That's very important. Okay, doc. Now, coming to the absence of other symptoms, only automatisms are there. Think of temporal lobe, which can lead to classically automatisms, staring spells, deja vu, etc., etc. Now, what is a depressive personality disorder? See, there is a difference between depression and depressive personality disorder. What is a personality, doctor? It won't come suddenly 1-2 days में, बचपन से वो personality रहेगा. किसी को पेंसिल नहीं देना, चुप चुप के खाना. Finally, when they also come to medical college, they continue the same habit. अपने आप पढ़ना, and he will read all low yielding topics. So, how do you treat depressive personality disorder? It comes under appendix B of the DSM-4. Gloomy mood, low self-esteem, unnecessary guilt. अरे क्यों नहीं पढ़ा, ज़्यादा पढ़े तो क्यों ज़्यादा पढ़ा. I did not do anything else. All my classmates are going and dancing with others' girlfriends. I don't have even नाम के वास्ते भी girlfriend नहीं है. So all this unnecessary remorse. So leave all those things, doctor, because there is no quantifiable term to call this is sufficient reading for winning entrance. Adequate quantity 2 liters पढ़ते क्या? 5 लीटर पढ़े तो there are no petrol pump calculations. जितना पढ़े तो सीट आएगा. There is no quantity, no. तो इसलिए when quantity is not defined, why to worry that I did not read? अभी पढ़ना शुरू करो, quantity build करो. So that is what is required. So psychodynamic psychotherapy and psychoanalysis. All personality disorders में psychoanalysis है. What is psychoanalysis? Psychiatrist बैठेगा, अच्छा बताओ बचपन में क्या किया, क्या क्या छुप के पढ़ा, what did you not share? He will do all that analysis and come out with a solution. तुम बचपन से किसी को नहीं खिला के खाली अपने आप खाया इसलिए सीट नहीं मिल रहे. तो इसलिए अब से दूसरों के साथ शेयर करना शुरू करो. जब भी चाय के लिए जाएगा, you also sponsor. That's how you will get the seat. So that is psychodynamic psychotherapy for depressive personality disorder. Olanzapine, clozapine. What is the specialty, doctor? It is a special drug for the negative symptoms of schizophrenia. Is what need to be remembered. You must know positive, negative symptoms. Haloperidol-like drugs are good for positive, not for negative symptoms. But atypical antipsychotics are very effective. Coming to leprosy. Legophthalmos is not a diagnostic criteria. In fact, it will come a little later stages. More than 5 lesions defines as a multivascular disease in the Ridley's opening. Coming to the lepromatous leprosy. It is not the early lepromatous leprosy lesions. In the early lepromatous leprosy lesions, sensation may be intact and normal is what need to be remembered. Okay, doc. Quickly answer this question. I have used a dexamethasone suppression test. Low dose इस्तेमाल किए तो suppress हो गया. Normal everybody में. Second situation. I used low dose, it didn't suppress, high dose दिए तो suppress हुआ. Then what is the diagnosis? Low या high suppress नहीं हुआ. Diagnosis B. What is diagnosis A and B? Will be 2 minutes out of video.